Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. Very, very simple tip today. Find some trees, see if you're invited to practice with them, and if you are, practice with some trees. If you ordinarily do this, I'd invite you to practice with trees that you do not ordinarily practice with. Maybe individual trees, maybe stages of life, different stages of life of trees, and maybe different types, species of trees. Right, so we can vary which trees. If you don't normally practice with trees, that's the tip. Simple. Practice with trees. If you ordinarily practice with trees, maybe different individual trees, different species of trees, or trees in a different stage of life. A stump, a sapling, or a rotted log. Right? I'm not going to tell you what you'll find there, but it's been magical in my life. So thank you, Juniper. And leave some seeds. Leave some seeds.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.